My name is Ahmed Ali Sheikh. This is my assignment 6, Cyber Defense. My UCF ID is 5788310. So I have the main file. Basically, this is just that, we have the array list. This stores all the commands or the alerts. It basically handles all like exception catches for invalid inputs. So for example, these ones over here, and this is the main while loop. This is the main while loop, which basically runs all the cases, and the cases, the commands are all separately written down in the code. We also have the file, which is created at the end, threat log txt. Then I have the alert file, which is just basically, it takes in the private variables. This is also known as encapsulation. And it has the override functions, for the strings, for comparing and just fixing the order of the threads. And then we have what is this? This is the constructor for like all the alerts. It has the basic, fields or whatever you want to call it. And yeah, this is the invalid threat file. This is basically if you input a wrong threat or a wrong range of threats, like below 0 over 10, then this just outputs the correct message accordingly, or anything of the sort. So if I were to run this code in main Java, so let me start with the basic cases. This would be the standard workflow. So we have add, view, sort. So if I were to add anything, threat level 4, and I'll add another one, PO14, description, and a threat level 6, view. So this basically prints everything correctly, and the file is created. Similarly, if I were to run the test case for add, extremes, shuffle. So if I were to add, same thing, F01 and A, threat level 6, PW02, oh my bad, PW02, we have NA, threat level 8, view, extremes, I think highest threat. Okay, yeah, these are the extremes, lowest and highest. And if there's one in the middle, it's still going to do it correctly. We also have shuffle. So if I were to add another one, 10, if I were to shuffle, extremes, this is still correctly done. So KW is the recent one with threat level 10 right here. And if I were to view this is it. And then we have the final case, which is exception handling. So if I were to add invalid items, so for example, threat level, if I put in words, and then similarly if I have the threat level as above 10, is going to give it the correct responses. Yeah, and then if I were to just view this, it's the previous ones and not the recent ones. So KW, we have PW2, and just the ones that we made before. None of these ones, PW2 or PW01. And yeah, if I say done, it should be added. My bad, okay, yeah, it is added. Okay, that should be my code. Thank you.